In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a phone number to your Roblox account. This is super quick and easy to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings. From here, you can do this by clicking more and then going to the settings button right here. And once you're in this section, what you're going to want to do is click on the account info tab, just like so. Now, the account info tab is going to be where you can edit your personal details, like, for example, your email and your phone number. For example, on your phone number section, you're going to want to click on this little update phone or add phone number right here and select it. And from here, you'll be able to input your current phone number. Just make sure when you type in this phone number that it is the correct country code if needed. And after you do so, go ahead and hit continue. Now, Roblox is now going to send you a verification code by text. Enter in that code and confirm, and your phone number is going to be linked to your account. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. That's how you can add your phone number to Roblox. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you do have any questions, ask us down below. And once again, we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.